10 years in a row.
And Alana, we're hoping to be able to build a real snowman around here soon.
Yeah, we are going to eventually be able to do that. We haven't been able yet this season, but changes on the way. I was worried we were going to use tumbleweed. All right, this is what it looked like at Bryce Canyon this morning. As a weaker system delivered some snow to the area, our mountains will be picking up plenty of it. We've got a large storm system targeting the Beehive State, and we're going to talk about those expected snow totals. Our weather warnings are already posted. Our wet weather on track to arrive as we get into the overnight hours. It's going to be a statewide snow event, and yes, we have to talk about that potential of lake effect because that will add to some of the totals in Salt Lake, Tooele, and possibly Davis County. This is a live look outside right now where you can actually make out the cloud cover here at the ABC4 studios. The clouds were the first indicator things were changing. The winds also picked up. You see the flag moving there. We've got a cold front tracking our way. The clouds streaming in ahead of the moisture that's going to take over and impact us tonight into tomorrow and through Friday. This is our first major storm system of the winter. We have not seen that measurable snow yet in Salt Lake. That's going to change. Winter storm warning upgraded this afternoon, and that's for our mountains. It includes the Wasatch, the Uintas, Central Mountains, Southern Mountains, and we are going to be looking at snowfall accumulating in feet. Yeah, we're not going just inches here. We're going to measure it in feet. And as you look, we see the purple, which is a winter weather advisory that's in effect for many of our valleys because with accumulating snow, we will see travel impacts. Generally speaking, 3 to 6 inches expected. You see those valleys that are highlighted there. It includes Cache Valley, Salt Lake County, as well as Tooele Valley, Utah Valley, St. Pete, Sevier, all going to be dealing with accumulating snow. Futurecast gives us the timeline. We get really pinpoint here so you know what to expect. We watch as that moisture fills in after midnight, early morning hours. Valley rain, mountain snow, 6,000 feet, the cutoff, but we will see snow starting to mix in, so that sloppy wintry mix for early morning commuters. By 3 a.m. it looks on the model that we switch over and it's just straight snow. In Cache Valley, so Logan, you will see a slick morning commute. Watch as that moisture continues to fill in towards the central portion of the state by 6 a.m. We see it all the way down to the I-70 corridor on the eastern side of the state. We will watch that rain transition over to straight snow. Here we are at 9 a.m. northern Utah, looking at a moderate window of snowfall there. The rain you're seeing in central Utah will also change over. That's going to happen in the afternoon when that colder air moves in. Here we are by 3 p.m. and you can see I-15 getting a decent dose of snow. At Nephi, we still see rain, but that will change. I-15 actually looks at a period of road snow as we make it through the afternoon and evening. Here we are by 9 p.m. From Provo all the way down to Cedar City. We have snow over I-15, wet weather on the eastern side of the state. It's going to be a sloppy Thursday with accumulating snow. Well, how much? That's the big question. We have to factor in the potential for this lake effect because that could add to the totals in Salt Lake. You see it here, 10 a.m. We get a narrow band of heavy snowfall, and that will really contribute to the totals in Salt Lake, Tooele, and possibly Davis County, depending on the direction. Okay, 2 to 8 inches, wide range for the Wasatch Front, higher 4 to 8 in Salt Lake County due to the lake effect, but we will see that large range along the Wasatch Front. Generally speaking, valleys 3 to 6, that includes Juab, Millard County, Sevier Valley. Benches at 5 to 10, Bountiful Bench, East Benches, you're looking at healthy snow totals. Mountain valleys and the backside of the Wasatch, 8 to 12. Our mountains get a lot of snow. We like that. We need it. 6 to 12 in the north, 10 to 20 in the south. Cottonwoods getting 1 to 2 feet, also the case for the central mountains. All right, that lake effect. We get a reinforcing shot of cold air that moves over the lake, which is relatively warm in comparison. That's where that lake effect comes from and why it kicks up early Friday morning. Again, this is the area that has the potential, I would say, from Centerville down to Sandy, maybe even Draper. We could see that band of snow setting up. It will impact travel on Friday morning, so heads up. You want to be careful out there. 30s and 40s for tomorrow. 30s and 40s on the eastern side of the state. 41 in Cedar, 51 in St. George. Even St. George, soggy conditions. We're looking at rain for tomorrow. Could see a few snowflakes mixing in. Another storm by the middle of next week. Temperatures will be below average Friday and Saturday. We also get cold for the Wasatch Front. We're going to hit freezing on Friday. It'll be a struggle. Again, morning lake effect snow showers possible. Drier conditions for the weekend with temperatures trying to warm up. Another storm system Tuesday and Wednesday bringing additional wet weather. We love an active pattern and we need this moisture. The storm is on the way. Glenn, Lena, over to you.